Hello, we are going to be making donut muffins or dough-fins. As you can see, I got plain flour sifted in my bowl, butter, 2 eggs, bicarbonate of soda, vanilla extract, golden caster sugar, natural yogurt, and strawberry jam. I'm now sifting my golden caster sugar with my plain flour, and I'm going to be sifting my bicarbonate soda as well. Once they're all sifted, I'm now mixing all my dry ingredients together. I'm now moving on to my wet ingredients. I got my natural yogurt in a jug and I'm putting both my eggs in, as well as my vanilla extract. And I'm now going to mix all my wet ingredients together. I'm now putting my natural yogurt mixture in to my dry ingredients, as well as my melted butter. And I will mix this or fold it until it becomes just a mixture to be ready to put into our molds. I'm now put my mixture into my silicone muffin tray. I filled it up a little bit, but I found out at the end of my product that my jam sank when I put it into my mixture. So if you want to put jam, custard, or even some chocolate spread maybe, I would say put all the mixture in and fill up all your molds or your muffin tin. Because the jam sunk on my ones, but I think piping your filling would stop that from happening. Ta-da! They are now cooked. I left them to cool, and I put a bit of sugar on. Sugar didn't really stick to the top, but they were nice, fluffy, moist, and crisp. I picked the better ones that I thought were really good, and as you can see, the jam's in the sink in this one. I think there's only about 3 that the jam's in the sink in, but they're great to make, easy, and it's worth a try. Thank you. Bye.